Hello there, this is my channel Tugustu Zaryun. I'll continue my lesson with e-banking. In the traditional banking service, customers must go to the nearby banks to withdraw money. Think about in manual working systems, they use their brain, their pens or pencils with paper. It takes time to perform a task. In case of calculator, it's better. In case of using a modern computers, it's the best one. What about coming to the new technology, e-banking? May not be important to go physically. May also gives other chances. Service that are gives 24 hours per 7 days. In the traditional banking service, customers must go to the nearby banks to withdraw money, transfer money to families, and pay their utilities. The traditional banking service is inconvenient and inefficient as it demands customers to go to the bank in person and wait their turns to get a service. It also creates unnecessary burden on the bank. In case of customers, they may lose their times by waiting in traditional working system. What about using digital code? Electronic banking is a form of technology-based banking service that avoids exchanging of cash, checks, or other types of paper documents. There is no paper documents at all. In the banking sector, IT is mainly associated with services like internet banking, automated teller machine, and mobile banking. Like in other service sectors, IT has positively influenced the banking industry. Banks make their information systems accessible over the internet so as to provide internet banking services. This allows customers to make payment online, transfer money from their account to other accounts, and get other banking services from whatever they are. Thanks to the technology, it's not important to go physically for some services to a particular bank. Possible to withdraw money that is deposited in a particular region because we have a network, we have digital systems, we have a database, they are working together. There are digital collaborators, team workers, they are working together. It's possible to withdraw or to deposit a money to your particular account. It's possible also to transfer or exchange money from one one user to the others, thanks to the team. Some of the commonly known e-banking services include automatic teller machine ATM. By using ATM card and anyone that have an account book for account number, he can get an ATM card with PIN number. Then he can withdraw or she can withdraw with 24 hours per 7 days. Mobile banking, the other service, internet banking, internet, credit cards, debit cards, smart cards, variety of cards that have been able to pay payments, electronic fund transfer, and others. E-banking provides many benefits to bank as well as to customers. What are the benefits for both the organization bank and for to the customers? The cost of operation per unit of service is lower for banks. The cost of operation per unit of service is lower for banks. Yes, of course, the cost of operation per unit of service is lower for banks. It takes and within a short period of time we can process and we can get a service. Customers can withdraw cash anytime using, for example, ATM service. It gives 24 hours per 7 days. Customers can make payments from wherever they are. Possible to make a payment using our mobiles that is deposit in a particular bank. Customers can easily check their account balances, being at any time, being at any location, in their mobile. Customers can get immediate message about the transaction related to their accounts. When they make payments or transferring of money, they will get a transaction related to their accounts. They will get a message related to transactions. Despite all of several benefits, the banking has three. There are some challenges. Not one technology have only the advantage, it's have also hindrance or disadvantage. Digital thefts. We are in 21st century and hackers Digital thefts are found over the network that it is the problem. But the inside the information network security agents have a responsibility agency in our country. Again, every organization has their own responsibilities to protect personal data or customer data. Exclusion of the digitally illiterate citizens from e-banking services. The exclusion of digitally illiterate citizens from e-banking services. The other disadvantage, literate persons or citizens, they have no skill or knowledge how to use e-banking and how to use the mobile can be disadvantage. Lack of access to IT infrastructure in remote area. In remote areas, we may have IT infrastructures in terms of network and other like internet. We may have a lack of internet or network that it is lack of access. The other disadvantage, unaffordable cost to require IT devices like smartphone for low income citizens. Low income citizens or poor societies have no chance to use smartphones that gives all accesses to gain a service from a particular bank. For today is enough. Thank you. Motivate me, support me by subscribing my